Welcome back to your daily briefing on world politics and diplomacy. I'm your host, and in this video, we are turning our spotlight to Uganda and the United Nations. As you already know, Uganda has officially nominated former Foreign Minister and long-time diplomat, Ambassador Dr. Olara Otunnu, for the position of UN Secretary General. The announcement has sparked a major buzz across Africa and the global diplomatic community. One of the most notable endorsements comes from Charles Peter Mayiga, the Katikiro, or Prime Minister of the Buganda Kingdom. Writing with deep national pride, Mayiga posted that it would be an absolute honor for Uganda and Africa should a decent and capable son, Olara Otunnu, get elected Secretary General of the UN, coming from the Prime Minister of Uganda's largest traditional kingdom. That endorsement carries immense cultural and political influence. Adding his voice to the conversation, former lawmaker Odonga Otto shared Dr. Otto's campaign poster remarking that, Dr. Otunnu's poster remarked that he has been handed an assignment that seemingly no one in Uganda can manage, calling him the only option for a job of this magnitude, and adding that time heals. Dr. Otunnu's campaign poster lays out a vision built on 4 core pillars: a lifetime of service, global experience, people-centered leadership, and building together. And each resume certainly matches that ambition. Decades ago, as president of the UN Security Council, Otunnu actually pioneered the secret straw ballot system still used today to select the Secretary General, and is known as the Otunnu formula. He later served as the UN Under Secretary General and Special Representative for Children in Armed Conflict, establishing groundbreaking legal protections for war-affected youth. Now, as the UN prepares to select its next leader, Otunnu's platform focuses on revitalizing peace and security, protecting vulnerable populations, driving ethical governance in emerging technologies like AI, that's artificial intelligence, and advocating for equitable African representation on the Security Council. With strong backing from traditional and political leaders alike, different tribes, the question now is whether Ambassador Otunnu can rally the necessary support from global powers at the Security Council. What do you think about Dr. Otunnu's vision for the UN? Could an African diplomat lead the organization through its next chapter? Sound off in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and join us next time on this Global Pulse.